I am proud to show you this 1969 Camaro SS350. Literally just finished a nut and bolt rotisserie restoration. I'm talking within the last 30 days. It is so fresh, absolutely rust-free, all original metal, vintage air conditioning. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can find the price tag on every car we have for sale, along with a monthly finance option. There'll be lots of pictures, descriptions on all 200 of the cars. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Gentlemen, I got this from, I bought other cars from him that were really outstanding. He got this out of Arizona, and he just could not stop raving about how clean the body was. All original, no rust, clean, dry metal. He said it was a pleasure to work on this car. So up here, I mean, it brought a laser beam straight to the next level. This is absolutely straight. All the gaps are precise, all clean. It's as smooth along the bottom as it is up on top. This is all outstanding, absolutely like glass. There's not ripples or waves or no problem areas, no shrinkage, no cracking, no bubbles, nothing. Absolutely outstanding. The gap is right on the money, square and flush. All super nice. It's so fresh. There's not a nick or chip. There's not even swirl marks. It's garnet red, nice dark red paint, and it is literally like I could reach right in and grab the light bulbs that are actually up in the ceiling. Polished like glass. The correct hockey stick stripe. You don't even feel it. It's smooth to the touch. Correct dimensions. All of the chrome is sparkling new. The ice cube trays, the emblems, marker lights, bumper, all of its beautiful lenses, the grille, the spoiler, everything up here looks new. And again, it all fits right. It's all lined up so nice. The rally wheels look new. They are 15-inch, all new shiny trim, new correct antenna. Front and back windows are new. The vinyl top is new. All the stainless trim is new and shiny. All new rubber seals. Got the exterior trim package. That's the moldings on the gutters, the louvers, and wheel well moldings. That's all part of that package. Rear spoiler, tail lights, everything's beautiful. Car probably better than it looked rolling off the assembly line. I noticed it has a nice stance too. Let's open it up. Let's see how nice the inside is. All right, let's open the trunk. First, look how nice that paint is. It's outstanding. Even the bottom side is slick as can be. You got the nice stickers. The jam is slick. The weather strip is new. Look how clean it is inside the trunk. Very neatly spatter painted. New insulation on the back of the seat. Yeah, you put it on a rotisserie. It was just a shell. Everything removed inside and out. It was flipped on its side, upside down. Jams are really nice and slick. Weather strips are replaced. Sill plates are new. Door panels been replaced. Window cranks. And all this trim, like the vents, all the dash pad, the bezels, the knobs, all looks like new. Original speedometer shows about 84,000 miles was on the car. Original gas gauge. New vintage air controls, so they're the electric, not the old cables that you got to try and push. Digital retro stereo. You put the factory style AC vents right in the dash. All this fits real nice, all nice and clean. Oh, he even did the lighter in an ashtray. Didn't miss anything. Tick panels look like new. Carpets fit real nice. The entire center console looks brand new. Staple shifter. Correct original seat belts. Upholstery is redone. Headrests are recovered. Everything in back's the same way. The upholstery, the side panels look new. Original seat belts look good. It's got two 6x9 speakers in the back. All the trim around the back window looks real nice. Sail panel and headliners have been replaced and fits real nice. Visors look real good. Mirror looks new. There's a new 3-spoke deluxe steering wheel. Yeah, it's like new inside this car. Even up by the hinges, it's painted real slick. So he had the engine completely rebuilt. It's not just hearsay. He had it done. Terry's Engines up in Green Bay, Wisconsin. New crankshaft, pistons. It is a correct HB. It's a 1969 350 300 horse, but it's been bored 30 over. It's been balanced, a little hotter cam, screw-in studs, hardened seats, so it runs on unleaded. He says probably about 330 horsepower now. All stock air cleaner, and underneath the air cleaner is the factory Quadrajet. It's been rebuilt. The choke is hooked up. The original distributor, that's restored. All the valve covers, even the heat riser tube going down to the manifold, and even the spark plug shields, the heat shields. Everything's there like it should be. All the metal is clean and smooth and painted. It's not pitted. Looks like a new alternator, new horns, radiator, shroud, fan, all that looks fresh. There's a vintage air, heat, and AC system, so it's all updated. It does have power steering. And I can see the steering box and the lines and the rag joint, all that looks new. Power brakes, and it's obvious this is all new. The lines, the master, cadmium plated booster. The squirters are hooked up, has hood insulation. Just look how fresh everything is. This is brand new, folks. So Caleb's going to take you for a drive. He better keep it clean.
All right, we have this gorgeous 69 Camaro. We're going to take her around the property for a hot lap, show you how she drives. I love a fresh restoration. It always, you can tell how the quality was by how it drives right away. So far, so good. I'm impressed. This thing is very smooth. Steering is super tight. Suspension is just floating over the bumps. I don't hear any rattles, no creaking, nothing. Super solid. Power brakes feel really good. They're not pulling left or right, and I don't feel them dragging when I release. Yeah, very nicely done. Power steering works super smoothly. We got turn signals lighting up. Wait for the traffic to clear and see what she's got. All right, here we go. Sometimes it's just nice to cruise, and that's exactly what she does. 0 to 60 though, no problems, no breakups in the throttle. I feel like I'm driving a modern car right now. That's how nice this drives. Yeah, this feels really good, guys. Lane here. It's got a nice retro radio. I think it works. It was working earlier. To check that out. Got the wipers. Those are functional. Listen to her purr. It's got a nice little cam in that idle. Just sounds so good. Not too loud, not too quiet. It's a perfect mixture of both. Just a smooth, smooth car.
So even underneath this car is just spotless. Like I said, it was on a rotisserie, so everything was removed. It was flipped upside down. He prepped the bottom, painted it all in a satin black. All the components were off. Every part went back on as either new or rebuilt. So all the bushings, the front end, the ball joints, springs, shocks, you name it, it's all been replaced. The fuel system, including the tank, the lines, the entire brake system, the calipers, the lines, the e-brake, their disc brakes in front, drum and back. Correct dual exhaust with the transverse muffler. That's the sideways muffler that goes from 2 into 1 muffler and back into 2. That's how they work. Has the correct tailpipes. You look up at the motor, it's spotless. It's not even got road grime on it. Starter's brand new. Turbo 350 automatic trans is clean. That was rebuilt by the previous owner about 2,000 miles ago. Drive shaft is clean. It is the original rear end. It is a cruising gear in there. So this is a car you get out, just drive, real nice on the highway. If you wanted to, break them tires loose, you can change the gear to like a 355 or 373. Then it's not as good on the highway. So it depends what you're looking for, but it's awesome just the way it is. Again, absolutely fresh, beautiful red 69 Camaro, vintage air, nice rust-free, always rust-free car, not new metal, original. Go to volocars.com. The salesman can help answer the rest of your questions, including how you're going to get this delivered to your door and how you're going to get it financed. If you need help with either, they can do it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon to be notified when the next one's posted. Thanks for watching.